Forgiveness. It can be elusive and difficult to engage in. Why is that? Well, there's a couple of reasons why people have a hard time forgiving. A, they don't know what they're supposed to be forgiving and they don't know how to do it. B, they feel entitled to their resentments and grievances. Or C, they like the drama of it. I'm not sure if any of these fit for you, but if you would like to start getting rid of resentments and grievances with people, then book me for a forgiveness reading session. It's a new service that I'm offering where I use my forgiveness declaration cards to draw a card after we set an intention, and we will look at what's going on in your life that you are feeling the need to hold on to resentments and grievances, or how to actually look at letting them go. So follow the link below to my website, book me for a 45-minute session, and we will meet and talk about how you can actually have more peace of mind in your life. You take care. I'm Luc Bouchard. Thanks for watching this video.